Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trishna. If you are new here, you need to know that I make videos on beauty, lifestyle, travel, fashion, everything in between. And officially summers are here, and today we're going to discuss about sunscreen and which are the best sunscreens that are currently available in the market, especially for dry skin girlies. And let's get on the video and see which are these sunscreens. So first things first, you need to identify which is the perfect sunscreen for you. For that you need to read the label. On your label there would be written as PA plus or PA++++, which is 4 pluses. So PA plus, PA stands for the protection grade of UVA. Also you need to see that your sunscreen is not just protected from UVA but also UVB. And UVB are the blue rays which are emitted from your electronic devices like cell phones, your iPads, your laptops, your computers, etc. So see to it that you opt for UVA and UVB, and PA should be 4 pluses only, because when we say PA plus, that is the least amount of protection, whereas PA++++ is the highest amount of protection. So the first sunscreen is the Garnier UV Invisible Serum Sunscreen. Now of lately I have been obsessed with these serum kind of sunscreen which are very lightweight on the skin and gets blended really easily. Also this is 50 PA++++. That's what at least is mentioned on the website. If you go and see on their website or even on Nykaa, usually are supposed to mention it on the carton like a lot of other brands, but here as you can see there's just 1 plus, but as they claim it's 4 pluses. I really like the packaging. It's nice and it easily glides, and it's also very serum like consistency. You can see it has started dripping faster. Now this is 30 ml and this is priced at rupees 349. I feel this is really affordable. Also this is very easy to carry. I have a small little bag. I just put it in and I'm ready to go. I can reapply it. It's very easy to reapply as well. Now this one is infused with vitamin C. Also this is broad spectrum and it leaves no white cast. So this is a win-win for me. Also I find it very handy. It can be just slipped into the pocket or even into your small wallets and bags. Now next sunscreen is my current favorite sunscreen, which is Foxtails Dewy Sunscreen. Now this one is SPF 70 PA++++. Also this is infused with niacinamide, B3, B5 and vitamin E. I really love how sleek the packaging is. It's again very easy to carry. It's very lightweight and it has a pump. This is a very lightweight formula. Gets absorbed really quickly in the skin, leaving no white cast, as you can see. And again this is also a broad spectrum sunscreen, so it is protecting not just from UVA but also UVB. I really like to use this before I start my skincare prep. So this one leaves my skin really nice and dewy. Especially during summers, what I like to do is I apply my sunscreen, just little bit of concealer around my eye area and little bit of blush, and I'm good to go, because this leaves my skin so nice and glass like. I don't need any more product apart from that. You can see how my skin looks right now. So this one at a price of $495 for a 50 ml is a great deal, and especially if you're a dry skin, this one is hands down one of the finest products that I've used since last year. Moving on to the next sunscreen. Now this one I've been using it for like good 6 months. This one is Novology's sunscreen. Now this one is a hydrating sunscreen. Also this is SPF 50 PA++++, but one of the hero ingredients of this product is niacinamide and glycerine. This not only protects you from sun damage but also moisturizes and protects your skin barrier. Now this one is perfect if you have a really dry and sensitive skin. Also this is fragrance free. The first layer is really thick, but once you go in, it kind of melts into the skin and doesn't leave any white cast. If you are a dry skin girl, you do not need a moisturizer post application of this. And you can see it has just blended really well, just like a cream, because this has that moisturizing factor to it. Also it doesn't feel oily or sticky at all. For a 50 gram of product, this is priced at $550, which is a good deal. If you are someone who is a dry and sensitive skin and also don't want to invest in a moisturizer, this one is for you. Moving on to the last but definitely not the least, my most favorite sunscreen which I used throughout my trip in Bali. I was actually, fun fact, I was actually crying because I thought that I lost my sunscreen in Bali to be found in my bag itself. So I was really happy. And this one is Numberzin's Clear Filter Sun Essence. Now this one is also SPF 50 PA++++. Again, a broad spectrum and UVA UVB. This one is very unique because this one, it's a aqua colored sunscreen which is more like a color corrector, and this one is so lightweight. It moisturizes, it leaves my skin dewy just like glass, and I literally swear by this because this is a Korean sunscreen. It has a kind of a cooling sensation once you apply, and it blends like a dream. There are many reasons to love this particular sunscreen because this one is infused with centella and licorice root extract, which leaves your skin refreshed. Also, it's lightweight, gets absorbed really quickly. It is less sticky, it doesn't have any fragrance, plus it is non-comedogenic and it is cruelty free. So many reasons to love this one. Also, this is on the bit expensive side. So for a 50 ml, this one is for 1950, but on discount it is around 1700. So this is the one that I literally swear by. I kind of applied almost every single day. I just have very little left in this, so I'm planning to restock this super duper soon. So these were my top 4 recommendation for this sunscreen for the scorching heat that we're gonna face this summer. Tell me which is your favorite. I'm going to link down all the products that I have used so far. And if you like this video, please do let me know. Give it a big thumbs up. If you have yet not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you guys waiting for? Subscription is absolutely free. And till the time I come back, please do take care of yourself and miss me.